Okay, hi everyone. Today we're gonna learn about shapes, but it's easy. We are learning about shapes by Krister's channel. This shape is a square. Did you know? This is a circle. This is a rectangle. This is a star. Dun dun. This is an oval. Kind of fat. This is a kite. It can fly. This is an isosceles trapezoid. If you've never heard about that word, give me a thumbs up. If you heard about this word, tell me in the comments section below. That's why I made two of them. This is a parallelogram. This is a nontagon. This is an octagram. Done. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can do a different one. Subscribe. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, now we're gonna sing Google in some ways. Oh, 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 oh. Should I make it a transition that's cool instead of like boom like that? Guys, now it's cool. Google in some ways. Oh, oh. Time to go on the next one. Google is original. Google, and this is also Google Drive, Google Slides, and Google Document, Google Videos, and Google Sheets, Google Earth, Google Drive, Maps, Chrome, and Google Chat, Google Assistant, Google My Business, Google Clouds, Google Ads, Google Lens, and Google Meet, Google Voice, Google Mail. Like and subscribe to see more videos. Bye everyone, see you on the next video.